This probably looks super uncomfortable, but it's actually not bad. I don't want to go full spread eagle for you guys. So why do I ride a motorcycle is a question I get asked a lot. Usually it's associated with the risk, right? Why do I want to ride a motorcycle in a busy place like Southern California where everyone's trying to kill you in their car? It's kind of morbid. Riding to me is an escape from work. It's one of the few things out there where I can truly lock in on something and not think about anything else. And the reason why that's important is because throughout life, you got bills to pay, you got people to take care of, you got all this stuff going on. And what's something that can sort of shut off the noise? And it's always been riding to me. Wrenching on stuff, riding in general. All that stuff, it gets my mind going in a different direction from the busyness of life. So that's one aspect of it. The second part is it's such a visceral experience riding a motorcycle that it's very hard to explain to someone who doesn't ride. You would think it's almost just an exercise of, oh, you just want to go fast and get some adrenaline and get your adrenaline fix for the day. Sure, the adrenaline's part of it, but it's way more than that. It's going down PCH, feeling ocean breeze in your face, hearing things, feeling things, seeing things, and it's almost like every sense that you have is heightened because you're using all of them. When you're in a car, there's people texting and driving and just, people are on autopilot when you're in a car. When you're on a bike, you're forced out of that mental state. I can literally hear if something's wrong with my bike immediately. I can feel the temperature change even on a short 20-mile ride. I can feel 3 different climates in 20 miles of riding, let alone longer trips. There's something about that experience that makes it so special and memorable. And when you go on rides with friends or family or solo even, it makes those trips stay burned in your head. Those moments where you were just focused and you were enjoying it and you saw these beautiful sights. And there's got to be some psychology around having your senses being heightened to that degree and then having a great memory of doing those things. That's what motorcycles provide for me, whether I'm dirt biking, whether I'm on the street. So to answer the question, yeah, it's worth the risk to me. It's something that is so different from day-to-day life that I truly enjoy, that I'm gonna keep doing because I want more of those experiences. I want more of those memories, and I'm gonna do everything I can to be safe while doing it. But it's something that I just can't give up, because then why am I doing all this if I give something like that up? It's my main hobby. And so that's what I have to say about that. I ride because it is a certain type of experience that nothing else has provided me in life, and it's an outlet for me to get away from the busyness and the chase that everyone's on and the tasks that everyone has to follow. It pulls me away from the hamster wheel of life. So for those that don't ride, really consider looking into a motorcycle, because 1, they're fun, 2, it's a project, 3, it's just such a different experience from anything you've probably had in your life. So get on a bike, start wrenching on stuff, do something that gets your mind off your day-to-day business, and I think you'll be a lot happier doing it. Stay safe. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next video.